Our towns and high streets in Wales are changing. We're seeing a decline in shops, we're seeing an exit from high streets, and so what are we going to do about it?
Here we are in the centre of Swansea, and I'm from Caredig, and as you can see, we're in the heart of the city centre. We're working with our partners at Swansea.com to deliver much needed affordable housing. Swansea.com are working on the ground floor to deliver new retail units, and we're working on the upper floors to deliver 15 one-bed apartments. And the beauty of this scheme is that we're bringing life back to the city centre. Like many towns and cities, Swansea's looking to regenerate its city centre. It's looking for footfall, it's looking for people to spend money, and as part of its wider ambitious regeneration programme, we're bringing this scheme to the city centre in order to see people live here and spend their money in the heart of Swansea. So as a registered social landlord working in this area, we're delivering 15 one-bed apartments on the upper floors of this building, and Swansea.com are working on the ground floor to let to commercial operators. Building itself has been empty for about 4 or 5 years. Residents of Swansea will be familiar with the ground floor sort of being let to Topman retailer. As I say, they left about 5 years ago. The guys at Swansea.com are working hard to get new lettings in place on the ground floor, and we'll have this building up and running in probably October next year, 2026. So key to us at Caredig is obviously working hard to make sure that residents, when they move into developments that we build and provide, is making sure that the operational costs for them are as low as possible. And without exception, I think it's fair to say that most, if not all, registered social landlords or social providers now don't deliver gas, for example, gas central heating in their property. So we're working with a developer here to make sure we've got energy efficient measures, building to EPC A, we're providing solar panels for electricity, and working with the developers to provide energy efficient heating systems. It's important to us to work with Swansea Council to make sure that we've got people ready to move into our apartments. We know the need is there. There's obviously a dramatic housing need across Wales, and Swansea's no different to any other part of Wales in that respect. We are looking at opportunities in the city centre, not just here at this fantastic scheme. We're working down the way as well on another site where we're providing the number of much needed affordable housing. So we're always looking at the opportunities that the town and city centres present.